All right, I just wanted to go through some of this here. This is some information from one of my YouTube channels, and I want to just kind of show you the power, number one, of retaining the attention of people who are watching videos. Because if you can retain people, you'll be able to get them to either opt in or go to your sales page, or because people are going to do things with people that they know, like, and trust. So let me slide this down here. You can see here the average view duration, 7 minutes and 56 seconds. There's not too many people, that, unless they do like TV shows. You can look at the average duration of a TV show, a average 30-minute show, and it's about this period of time here, unless it's a really good show. You don't have to take my word for it. You can go look at it for yourself. And that's what made me understand the value of what I'm doing on my channels, and the audience retention that I have. And when a sponsor came to me, I told it was not going to be an affiliate offer, that I wanted an affiliate offer, and I wanted a certain amount of revenue paid to my company on a monthly basis, and I would only do it on a limited contract, on a 3 or 6 month contract, because my channel is growing very fast right now. So you can see here, I mean, imagine you post a video and you're able to, number one, get 9,900 subscribers from that one video that you posted. The watch time hours, 35,000, 40 minutes. Now, do you think that if you have groups of people watching your video for 7 minutes and 56 seconds, and you have 35.4 thousand people doing that, do you think that you would make sales? And obviously, I've been able to make a lot of sales from these, but more importantly, it's added another revenue source. So look at this revenue here. This is the amount that was paid from this one single video, and I have multiple videos that are in this range. This is not the only one, and I have videos that are growing on a daily basis, get into this range. So, and as a matter of fact, this is not my highest viewed video. This is not the highest one. I have other ones that have done way more than this. I just wanted to show you this one here because this caught my attention with the retention. And what I had started doing with all of my videos is I had started doing more of a whiteboard presentation, and that's held up the retention on the video. So when I'm doing that, it also allows more advertisement to be ran on it, but it also allows the individual to be able to get to know me a lot more, and they get to see how I'm helping them with the content, and it makes them more likely to want to take another look at the products and services that I'm offering. All right, if you're interested in learning more about this, you can reach out to me, or you can click the link that's above or below this video.